Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing about a very interesting product, which is Top Gummy Hair Vitamins. The best part is that these are gummies. Can you imagine how cute? So these are basically hair vitamins which come in the form of gummies. We all know that vitamins are great for our skin, hair as well as nails. But if somebody tells you to take, supplements in the form of medicines and tablets, would you be interested? I myself wouldn't be. But when they come in the form of gummies and they taste yummy, then you would obviously be interested, right? Now we are going to be discussing in detail about Top Gummy and why they are not only yummy and interesting, but they are very good for hair, skin and nails. But before doing so, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's get started. Now, as I was telling you guys, Top Gummies are hair vitamins which has got vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, vitamin A and most importantly biotin. Now if you don't know already, biotin is amazing for your hair, and most of our hair problems occur when the level of biotin is decreased. If you take supplements, vitamin supplements particularly, which are rich in biotin, it will definitely help you get your hair shinier, stronger and healthy. Not only that, since it has got so many vitamins in it, it will definitely help you get a good skin. It will repair your skin and it will give you a very healthy skin, even make your nails stronger. Obviously, you can go ahead and say that you can use hair oil and hair serum, other hair care products. But what if I tell you, if you have a deficiency which is within, actually all the problems that you face and see outside are results of deficiency which is within your body. So if you take care of the problems which are happening inside your body and take care of the deficiency by using vitamins and minerals, then obviously you will solve the problem right where it had started. Now let's take a look at the packaging of the product. It comes in this beautiful metallic-y pinky packaging. I absolutely love when we open the packaging. It's a simple bottle and it has got inside it 30 gummies which comes in the shape of bears. How cute is that? It has got strawberry flavor. Yummy indeed. It is specially meant for your hair. The product is 100% vegetarian. It is fat free. It is made up of real fruit and natural color has been used to make the product. And also guys, it doesn't have any sort of preservatives. It doesn't have gelatin or nuts or soya or milk. By the way guys, if you're wondering, this particular Top Gummy is meant for adults and you are supposed to take it twice daily. Definitely don't overdo it just because it tastes yummy. Let's talk in detail about the goodness of biotin and what it does. Biotin is especially responsible for making your hair stronger and shinier. I'm sure because of our stressful lifestyle, pollution and other health related problems, we often get hair loss and hair fall, and as a result of it we get baldness. So to avoid all these problems and to take care of all these problems, you can definitely take biotin supplements, specifically Top Gummies. Vitamin A also results in secretion of sebum, which will actually moisturize and nourish your scalp from within. If you have a breakage problem or if your hair is getting thinner day by day, then you should definitely start taking this gummy. Like I was telling you, the product comes in gummy form, so it's very convenient to travel with, and I think you wouldn't even forget to take it, because obviously who doesn't like taking gummies? The fact that it has got all natural ingredients, it has got plant-based ingredients, it has got pectin, which is a plant-based ingredient which is really good for your hair. So biotin, pectin and all these natural ingredients together with vitamin and minerals are so very important and good for making your skin, hair and nails better and healthier. Also guys, you have to chew it first and then swallow, and do not swallow it at first. These gummies do not have any side effects. The fact that it has got water soluble vitamins, your body can easily digest it, store the goodness of the ingredients in the form of energy. Like I was telling you guys, it also has got zinc. Zinc also helps in tissue repair and growth. So if you have damaged hair follicles are not working properly, if there is a tissue damage, then the zinc inside this gummy will take care of that. Biotin is also an important ingredient which will result in faster hair growth. So if you like me also like longer and thicker and stronger hair, then I think this is a gummy that you should not miss. In general, I'm a very forgetful person when it comes to taking medicines or supplements, but when I have this, which has got such a cute packaging and which is so very tasty, I actually do not skip them or forget them. I'm going to be leaving the links of purchasing the product in the description box below. So go get your top gummies today. In case if you have any queries, do leave them down in the comment section and I shall definitely get back to you. That's it for today's video, guys. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Mwah. Bye.